Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to the Queen's Gambit, one of the oldest and most powerful chess openings in history. Whether you're brand new or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will teach you the moves, the strategies, and how to punish common mistakes. White starts with d4, d5 then follows with c4, offering the c4 pawn. Not as a sacrifice, but to challenge Black's central control. This is the Queen's Gambit. If Black accepts with take on c4, White doesn't rush to recapture. Instead, develop with e3. Knight f6, bishop takes c4, e6, knight f3, c5. Kingside castle, knight c6. The plan is to develop quickly and strike the center later with e4. Most Queen's Gambit accepted lines give White a long-term positional advantage if played properly. Now let's say Black plays e6 instead of taking on c4. This is the Queen's Gambit declined, a more solid setup. The typical development looks like this. White goes knight c3, knight f6, bishop g5, bishop e7, e3 castles, knight f3, h6, bishop h4, b6. White's plan here is to develop harmoniously, keeping pressure on the f6 knight while preparing e4 to break open the center. Black can also try c6, which is the Slav defense, a solid but passive reply. White should continue with knight f3, knight f6, knight c3. D-pawn takes c4, a4 preventing Black from holding the pawn with b5. Bishop f5, e3, e6, bishop takes c4, knight d7, kingside castle, bishop e7, preparing to castle. As White, your plan should be to play for central tension with e4. The Slav defense is drawish at higher levels, but at club level, White can push for a clear edge with accurate play. Before we wrap up, here are the most common mistakes players make in the Queen's Gambit. Recapturing the pawn too early in the accepted line. Always try to develop first. Playing e3 too soon in declined lines. Develop your bishop first. Forgetting to play a4 to stop, b5 and Queen's Gambit accepted. Letting Black equalize too easily in the Slav defense. Not playing for central breaks like e4. In many variations, White's goal is to gain space and prepare e4. Always ask yourself, is this time the moment to break the center? And there you have it, the complete guide to the Queen's Gambit. You've learned the accepted and declined variations, how to fight the Slav defense, and how to avoid common pitfalls. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the next opening you'd like to learn.